First instruction, don't follow me and use a penknife to cut open this box. The seat cushion is right underneath here. I know where it is because this is the second Jarvfjallet chair I got from IKEA. I had to return the first one I bought. Check out my other review video on this IKEA Jarvfjallet chair where I explained why I had to return the first one. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Given I'm assembling this for the second time, I thought of recording the whole assembly process, so all of you know how easy or complicated the assembly process is, in case you are thinking of getting this Jarvfjallet chair as well. It's not that difficult, and I managed to set up everything in less than 20 minutes. I'll point out the difficult parts along the way. Firstly, simply press in all the wheels into the frame. I find using a cardboard underneath is easier to prevent it from slipping. Unpack the frame and install the lumbar support cushion. This is the sliding mechanism of the lumbar support. And it attaches to the spine using two Phillips head countersunk screw or flathead screw, depending on how you want to call these. This is the hardest bit, where the frame of the chair will need to be stretched, as we tighten the 4 screws that join this frame to the spine of the chair. Notice there is about half a centimeter gap where tightening the screw will stretch the frame to fit the spine. After mounting the bottom screws, I retighten the top 2 screws again, just to make sure the entire chair frame is tight. This is the seat cushion. The instruction says, put the cushion on top of the table while installing the mechanical base and the back of the chair. The mechanical base is held to the bottom of the seat cushion using these 4 screws. And the back of the chair is joined using these 3 screws on the base of the spine. And there we go, it's all done. Now all we have to do is put the chair on top of the gas cylinder. Next, assemble the adjustable armrest using 3 screws on each side. By the way, this new 2020 IKEA JÄRVFjallet comes with adjustable armrest, and they are not sold separately like the previous version. Finally, the headrest is joined using 2 small Phillips head countersunk screws. If you find this video useful, please like and share this video so this video can help a lot more people. I set up this Sky Perspective channel to share my knowledge and the gear I buy for myself. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Don't forget to check out my impression of this new IKEA JÄRVFjallet chair in my other video. It should be popping up on the screen right now. I'll see you over there. Bye.